Hello friends, today we gonna do the unboxing of Benito Monza. It's a 750 watts mixer grinder with 3 jars. Okay, so let's see the box packing of this. It's a box with the basic information on it. Now let's unbox the product. This product comes with three colors. One is black, one is white and red, and one is, so once we do the unboxing, what you get inside is a mixer unit along with the 3 jars and a warranty manual. Let's unwrap the product. This is their black color with a chrome finish, 3-pin cord. Along with that, you get 3 jars. This includes 3 jars in it. One is a big jar along with the cap. That's a see-through PC cap, so you can see what's grinding into it. With a stainless steel body, a 4-teeth coupler, a sturdy handle, and sharp stainless steel plates. Along with that, a medium jar for your other grinding purposes. And a small chutney attachment for your small chutneys and grinding purposes. So this is Benito Monza along with 2 jars, that's 750 watts and 3 jars. Thank you.